That's not the right thing I want to be on. But I'm uploading a video right now. It'll be out soon. So I thought it was uploading, and I thought it would have been uploaded by now, but I guess I did the wrong thing. But anyways, activated day 15 will be out soon. I'm gonna be I'm excited, bro. Like I just keep on going. Like I don't have any quit anytime soon. And if you didn't see already, we are going to be doing daily webinars, which are pretty much, I'm going to join them with the aftermarket session. I'll probably label it aftermarket session. I might label it something different. But for now, it'll be aftermarket session. Like, I'll come on here, I'll do my same analysis. And then, like, in our Discord, at first, it probably won't be anything. It'll probably just be me talking, honestly. That's what I'm expecting. But yeah, it'll probably be me talking, and I think I want to structure these everyday aftermarket sessions. Maybe not on Sundays, but let's get AZ. Maybe not on Sundays, but I think maybe. But we're going to be doing webinars every day. Tomorrow is the first one. Tomorrow's going to be the first one. This will be like the last before it's joined with the webinars. And I'm excited. Curious to see how they go. If they're a total flop, which I doubt they will be, I feel like it'd be something good, something interactive. We have people from our Discord on there. We can have other people talking in. Maybe occasionally see what happens. I'm like looking like later down the road once we gain some traction. Like maybe have some like good traders in there. We have multiple traders in there, just talking about like market where we're at, maybe news, stuff like that. And I want to lead those. I want to be the person that's leading those. So that's what I'm going on. Tomorrow, it's just gonna be about me. It's gonna be about me and my story. But every night I kind of want to have a topic with it. So they're sort of structured. Right now, these aftermarket sessions are kind of just like what I'm doing, where I'm at. But I kind of want to have some structure, you know? Like maybe someday we talk about greed in the market. Then we talk about overconfidence in the market. And then we talk about upcoming news. Then we talk about like finding your strategy, how to find your edge, how to journal. Maybe you just have a webinar on that. Like, I feel like there's so much. And the thing is, though, like with me and like all I'm about is like there comes to a point where you got to be creative. You got to be creative with this. Like I'm uploading a video every single day. I have been uploading a video every single day on my Activated, on my YouTube. They're all different. They're not the same. So with that comes like the challenge of creativity, which I also like. I don't want to have a bunch of the same webinars over and over and over and over and over and over. And maybe they'll change. But for now, this is what I see. And I'm thinking about having like a slideshow as well. Like maybe on Google Slides, I create a slideshow and just like kind of go over some things. But like things trading related, it's kind of hard for me because I'm not profitable yet. I don't have that much experience in the market. That's why I think it'll be awesome and amazing to, in the future, if I could potentially have other people on the webinar, like good traders, professional traders, and like that's where I see that. That's the vision I have with that. But I'm excited, and because I know it's possible, and I know I can get there. I know I can take us there. I know I can take me there, especially. Like there's not a thing in the world that you can't do. There are people that do this. I'm pretty sure. I'm like 100% sure. They probably don't do it every day though. Like I'm showing up to this every day, and I think I might have to be putting some more work. That's why I'm doing these. These will be on the weekends too. These will be on the weekends too. Tomorrow at 6:15 Eastern time. The times might change based on what I have personally going on, but I'm expecting like the first month or two. I'm expecting the first month or two to have it literally just me in there. Like I really don't expect many other people in there. But anyways, we're gonna hop into the charts, and we're gonna go over today what I did I took 2 trades. Um, and honestly, bro, like, I'm not hyped about either one. So the first trade though, I will say, is if I was on a live account, I wouldn't be taking that. But I was like, bro, I'm on a demo account. Let's kind of get used to pressing buy sell, which totally contradicts everything I've been saying for the past 2 days. Totally contradicts, which I don't know what that was. Like for the past 2 days, I've been saying I'm only taking high quality A plus setups, and then I take that. So I don't know. Let's go over NQ. Obviously, bro, like we have been so bullish. I was guessing the objective was this high, and that's kind of what we met. And after that, I was like, what are we gonna do after this? I need some form of structure. This isn't good price action at all. This isn't something you want to trade. Market conditions aren't here. You shouldn't even be trading this. I'm on a demo account. That's the only reason why I technically was trading this. But other than that, like if you're on a live account, just save your chickens for another day. Save your money for another day. If not, just go to the casino, put it all on black or something. I wouldn't say that. I mean, like trade setups are still able to happen in here in my eyes, but in my eyes, I just think that everything in here is just going to be lower probability. Lower probability. That if you ever hear me say lower probability, what am I referring to? I'm not referring that your trade setups can't work. I'm not referring that. Well, I would say your trade. I would say my trade. I'm not saying that my trade setups can't work at all. I'm just saying they're lower probability. They're lower probability. And this was the first trade I took. Not really splendid with this trade. Which one was it? Yeah, it was right here. Took a long right here. We had SMT. I thought this would have been a turtle soup entry. I had my starting in the middle of this imbalance. Why is this faulty? We just took a high. We're displacement lower. This is not a good trade. This is not a good trade. Oh, bro, my mic's all the way over here. That's this is not a good trade. I still haven't journaled this, but I will. I kind of wanted. I was like, we had SMT here as well. That's kind of what build my conviction. I wanted to see us get bought back up to this high before then we sold off. I had a strong conviction that we were heading to this hourly imbalance, which we end up doing. I want to see us head towards this hourly imbalance. And then we also had a low nestled in there. We had a 15-minute low. I believe it was this low right here. Yeah, we had that low. But that was the clear draw. There's really nothing here. And then here's the second trade I took. I got stopped at break even. I took this on a 5-minute. I took the 5-minute inverse, and I was simply looking for this high, and that was the trade I took. It literally almost hit, almost drew to that high, but we didn't. That was a good stop at break even. I'm not upset about this trade. This isn't a terrible trade. But we're in that 1 hour imbalance. We're getting displacement to the upside. I'm looking at this inverse. I'm taking this inverse. Not a bad entry either. And we just failed to displace higher. That's what I'm saying with lower probability market conditions. This is just lower probability right now. Doesn't mean it can't happen. I thought we actually were going to get bought up to this high, but we just never ended up doing that. And that's pretty much all I really saw. Let's kind of look again. Higher time frames. I didn't even look at ES. I don't like ES at all, just because we are in all-time highs. For me, there is no trade for me to take in here. Like, I don't even care. There can be A plus setup in here, and I'm probably less likely to take it. I'm more hesitant, just because of where we're at on the charts. You got to recognize market conditions. You have to recognize where we're at in the markets. Are we all-time highs? Because for me, I don't have much structure to base that off of. Like, say we're not in all-time highs, and we're bouncing off of a 15-minute PD array right here, and then we have an hourly PD array down here for us to target, and we have clear sell side down here. Then that's higher probability. But for me to take any sort of position right here, where I literally where I'm at my journey, for me to like take a position right here, it's just like why, again, like the positions I took, that was a turtle soup entry that I was just trying to test, trying to build my conviction. I saw SMT, I saw us consolidating, I saw us hit that low. We acted like we were gonna head towards that high, but that's not a good trade either. That's not a good trade. I shouldn't have took that. And I'm not gonna sit on here act like I didn't take it. And I actually did add to that position. I put 2 contracts on NQ because we made a reaction off the fair value gap. But that's just not good and not acceptable. But I am on a demo account, and the thing is I'm kind of stuck in between here right now. So I'm on a demo account, so I'm already not risking any of my money. So my mentality has been, though, to treat this exactly like it's a live account. Only take A+ setups, only take high quality setups, only take setups that you deem are valid, and that's what I've been thinking over the last until today, really. Today I'm like, we're on a demo account. We're trying to build our conviction with the draw here. We're trying to just experiment, in a sense, get used to pressing buy and sell, worrying about why these trades didn't go out, and journal them. And in a sense, I'm kind of stuck because I feel like what I could do right now is, well, not right now. I wouldn't do it right now, but say we do end up like selling off and into like and we base more structure, and I like price action, we get smoother price action, then I might have a live account where that live account is just for me to take high quality setups that I have conviction with, and then I also have a demo account where I kind of just test trades, experiment with trades, forward test trades, just to see where we're at. Just sucks that we're in all-time highs, 100%. Like on ES, I can't take a trade. Me personally, I don't like. You gotta realize the market. It's not like every day we're in all-time highs. It's not every day we're in all-time highs, or every week. It's not every week we're in all-time highs. Like if you look at the chart, let me pull up SPY. It's probably easier to see. But I mean, I guess all this is all-time highs. I don't really know what I'm saying, bro. But imagine we just keep on pumping. Could you imagine? Yeah, I took another trade, Eddie. I took this. Which honestly isn't a terrible setup. Isn't a good setup. Isn't hard. But yeah, this was. It was like a 1.6. Yeah, it was like that. It's that high. Almost at take profit, but price action just wasn't there today. And I knew that going into today. One winning trade, no. I got stopped out on break even. I put my stop to break even, and that's also something to where I'm not opposed to putting my stops at break even. Like especially if we're here, but I think I might have a rule to where I don't know, because today I protected myself. That was a good move. The other day when I put my stop to break even, though, it ended up hurting me. But I don't know. There's many levels to. What about TP on previous high? What do you mean? Like me putting my TP at previous high? I did. All right. I'm gonna go over what I'm looking at for next week. Do you trade forex? I trade ES and NQ. I trade futures. So going into the upcoming weeks, obviously, we now look at all this. Look at all this generated sell side. Look at all of this generated sell side. We came down and we just swept this and we just placed higher. This. So us now starting to get this like that. Like this tells me this was just fueled by Nvidia. This is what I believe. I think this was strictly fueled by Nvidia, and this is kind of exactly what I wanted to see. We come up after we accumulate for a while, then we come back into all-time highs. We put in, this could possibly be the new high. This could possibly be the new high. And now, we have now broken that hourly fair value gap. Although my bias has to be strictly upon like where we open up tomorrow, or not tomorrow, it's Monday. Yeah, where we open up Monday. I would like to see us open up Monday like around here or something like this. Like maybe we like go like boom, boom, boom. But I would ideally want us to just open up like right here. And then once we get to here, I have to see like how we are respecting these imbalances. Obviously, this is just a straight move up. So I would like the imbalance. I would like to see get disrespected or respected is this one right here. That's what I'm eyeing. So if we come down, if we do, where's this? Straight into that. This is straight into equilibrium. If we come down and we bounce off this, then I would expect us to still be bullish. But if we break through that, then I honestly think that it might be home free. Like we might be turning bearish in soon, but that doesn't mean that we might just chop around for a little bit longer. It all depends on what structure I get. Then let's look at ES. ES is a little different because we're now still in all-time highs. Kind of like the same thing though. We have a lot of this engineered sell side. This is all very low resistance. We don't have like one of these, you know. This is all just like a straight move up. So we're definitely going to get sell side of the curve. I wouldn't say definitely, but I would likely expect us to now start this. That's what I would expect. Going into next week, let's check news next week. We don't have anything. We have new home sales. No, I'm not worried. Consumer confidence. Monday will be interesting. We have no red folder news Monday. That's kind of concerning. I like to see red folder news on Monday. Spark volatility. We have GDP, CPE, PMI. Okay, so nothing. Ooh, this Wednesday is going to be interesting. We have Powell speaking at 8 a.m. Speaking in the morning. And we have NFP. I'll probably still like look at the market this day, but in terms of like profitable trading, definitely you should take this day off. 100%. We have NFP and Powell speaking. Like those two are going to affect the market a lot. So anything this day is lower probability, lower probability, and I keep on saying that, but lower probability for me is just a lower probability. It doesn't mean it can't happen. It just means it's lower probability. Oh, sorry, Eddie. I just saw that. Yeah, like taking profit. Yeah, I'm focusing on targeting previous high now. Unless if I have a clear unless if I have a confident draw. Unless I'm very confident on the draw, I'll put my take profit at previous high. What someone I was what might be like something that's kind of useful right now is someone suggested or I've seen it for me right now just have a 5 point stop loss, have a 5 point take profit, and then just see what price does after that. If it hits your take profit and then goes further, see where it goes, see where it bounces, see where it does. And if it hits your stop losses, see what it's going. How long have you been trading for? I've been seriously trading for like 2 months. I've been seriously all in for like 2 months, but I've been trading for like a year. Wait, we have Powell speaking like twice. Testify. What is he going to testify? Yeah, this week's going to be interesting. This week's going to be interesting. Keep it up, bro. God bless you. Hey, you too, bro. I like the positivity. All right, so we don't have a whole lot next week. Next week could be interesting. Next week we might get the sell side of the curve, and that's what I'm looking at. That's what I'm looking for. Tomorrow I am excited. That's all I'm really looking at in the markets. I don't really have much else to say, but yeah, I'm definitely excited going forward. Going forward, if you don't know, I'm going to be starting doing trading webinars every single day at 6:15 Eastern. Granted, the time of them might change day by day. It kind of depends. I don't know. I might not have them on Sundays. I'm not sure because Sundays I'm usually with my family, and I kind of dedicate like Sundays for my family. Just because I think that I think you should spend time with your family while they're here, because you never know. Like as much as I want to grind, as much as I have that work ethic, like you also got to make time for your family, and that's a hard thing for me. Is that like I'm so driven, so motivated to where, like, obviously hanging out with my family or like hanging around my family, is like in a sense feels like it's slowing me down or distracting me, just because my work ethic is that well. But at the same time, bro, I gotta change my mindset that like these are the people around me that like care about me and they love me. So for me to disrespect them, it's just I don't know. You gotta spend time with the people that care about you, because you never know. Like things can happen. You might lose a family member. They might get sick. Something might happen. So you gotta really live your life on this earth like it's your last. And do you just want to be working all the time? Do you want to be a workaholic? Yeah, I do. But at the same time, bro, like it's hard. It's hard for me. It's hard. But yeah, starting tomorrow, daily trading webinars. And I think I'm gonna structure these. It depends though, cause I feel like it is a lot of work for me, especially right now. But I don't know why I'm complaining. Like my main goal is to become profitable, so I need to study and take notes as much as I can. I'm not really caring about social media, but or like my whatever. I'm not really caring about like my growing, my following. I don't care, bro. And the other thing is I'm 100% like I'm not there has been a few people that have hit me up in my DMs and be like, yo, bro, you want to work with me, promote this? And I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna sell out for anything. The only thing that I have promoted is that free backtesting thing, just because I thought it was a cool game. It's like completely free. Like, you don't like. I'm not the only things I will promote are probably like free things or things that I believe in. Especially right now, maybe down the road, I might. It just depends. But for now, bro, like I was just watching a video at the gym. And it was like Alex Hormozy, and it was like I care more about my reputation than just trying to make money. Because obviously people have come to me, like there's been this prop firm that like I just talked to this guy, and like I don't believe in that. So I don't use prop firm myself. So why would I promote that? Like just because some of you guys can get value out of that, that's just not who I am. And I care more about like not trying to sell out or any of that than just trying to get a quick check. Anyways, I don't really have a whole lot else. Going forward, I think these aftermarket sessions, I don't know how long they'll be. They'll probably be like an hour at least, would be my guess. Especially if you have other people in there. But I'm actually gonna start working on that Google Slide, like Google Docs. It'll be like a school presentation, bro. It might feel boring though. It might feel boring though if I have like if I have a Google Slide. Does that not feel like school? Do you guys think that that's a good move if I have a Google Slide? You know what might be like a big W? Why am I saying big W? But you know what might be like a good thing? Is like in the future, bro. So right now I'm in this space right now, but you see that room like straight behind me? Like in the future, I think I'm moving into this house and that's probably gonna be my room. And in there's like a perfect place to put a desk, and then there's a wall like 10 feet behind. And bro, I might be able to do like a whiteboard on there. But I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna head out. I hope y'all have a fantastic rest of your day, rest of your evening, rest of your night. Hopefully you guys have a good weekend and enjoy it. Don't spend all your times on the chart. Like live some out of your charts. Live some part of your day out of the charts. Go to the gym, work out, um, or whatever. But anyways, I hope you all have a great night. But